Bomberman.
Did you miss one of my slow motion explosion video? Let's go ahead. Did you realize that? Did you understand what this is? Yes, we will explode in a slow motion explosion movie. So today we have a very special day, Valentine's Day. Yes, everybody loves, everybody cries, everybody is happy. So tonight we will have really special explosion. So just stay with us and you will see everything what happened on Valentine's Day in Mig Bomberman channel. This is the time to check our explosion camera, how we are preparing for the very surprising slow motion movie. Let's go, come here. Wow, so here we go. This is our explosion camera, and as you see, we are preparing for surprising explosion. It will be really great, and as you see, decoration what we have. Here we go. Check this out, you see that? Wow, what a nice heart we have. So sweet, so sweet. Oh my god. Let's try to focus on our explosion. Because of that, we have Valentine Day. It will be a really lovely surprise for you guys. You know that today we have Saint Valentine Day. Everybody's lovely. Everybody was waiting for this day all the year. Yeah, and you were waiting for this as well. We were waiting for this as well, to make a huge explosion on special for Valentine's Day. And today you will see very special and unique explosion what we have for Valentine's Day. So in this way we can take a look what we got, and you will see all the preparation, all the service, all the every step what we have done, and in the end you will see this special explosion what was really lovely and especially colorful. Today we have very special moment, very special day, very big, huge, lovely day, right? Today is a Valentine Day, and today we are going to blow off very unique and also very lovely thing that I'm sure that you will be very surprised, and you will be staring actually on this slow motion explosion video. So what we are going to explode, you will see very soon. So I have to call to my friend Jim. He will come to me. So Jim, come back to me. Show us. Oh my god, are you okay? Everything's fine?
Okay.
Okay, so okay, that's everything's fine, you know. I think it's not a joke. Okay, so what do we have here? You see, it's very small one, very small one. Take a look. You know what these are? These are gel balls that, you know, you put it in the water and they blow off. Almost blow off, but they're not blowing. They're just going to be bigger, and this is it. So, and what else we need?
Oh, no, not this. Sorry.
Oh my god.
Oh, not this. Oh, sorry. Oh, this.
Oh my god, did you see it? I think my friend Jim is living in a different planet, in a different galaxy. Oh, this one. Yes, this one. This is a great choice. These ones, I don't know what we are doing with these ones.
It's my small.
Forget it. So, here we have... also, what a great day. I'm a bit excited, so a bit nervous, but it's okay. This is Valentine's Day. And as you see, we have a balloon, a heart-shaped balloon. It will be prepared for the explosion with these gel balls. And very soon you will see how we are preparing everything for this heart explosion with these gel balls. So just take a look. Go on. And now, as you see, they are very small. Let's pull everything to the water. Everything what we have, and we will see in 10 minutes what we will have here. So okay, one is out, another one, everything is the same. This one is a very good weapon, I like it. And next bag full of... no, they are still floating, swimming in this. Yeah, once again, and the last one. Take a look. Wow, nice. Take a look, so colorful, so many colors. Oh my god. Wow, in 10 minutes we will have very good result. When all of them, they will be really big. So just wait for 10 minutes and we will see what we will make a bit later. Let's go.
When I see you, when I get there, I could travel 1,000 miles just to feel you.
Wow. He fucking did it. He pulled off a miracle.
Meet Bomberman.
Wow, did you see what kind of great explosion it was? Wow, there was a balloon, a heart-shaped balloon, specially for Valentine's Day, but in here, so you can take a look what happened and what has left. So where is our balloon? Where is our heart balloon? Somewhere around here. Oh, as you see, there are so many gel balls. Yeah, still left. There are so many of them and so many around. It's so colorful, right? Wow, it's amazing. It's amazing. It's such a nice view around. Oh, and here is a wax. So there was the candle that she flew away. But that's nice. That's nice. And don't worry, we'll clean it. But take a look. All the decorations, everything went really perfect. But yeah, there is one hole. There is one hole in one's heart, as you see it. Nice. Hello. Wow, but the main view with all the colorful, yes, these gel balls looks perfect. Am I right? Nice. That was really great shot. So guys, if you want to have something like this, if you want to destroy your thing, your idea that it would be blowing off somewhere around here, up here, down there, so just follow my channel, subscribe my channel, just drop me a message on this email, and in this way I will take your idea and I will blow off, I will explode everything in slow motion movie just right here in my microwave. So stay with us and follow my channel, Make Bomberman. After such a nice, great explosion with a balloon, with so many colorful jelly balls, I want to wish you just to have very good St. Valentine's Day, to be lovely, love yourself.
Ooh. It looks fantastic.
Okay.
You ready?
Yep.
It's me.
Make make love with your partner, be happy, be everything what you want, and just be satisfied, because it's not just only experiments and projects what we are doing, it's just a heart to you. So I wish you all the best on this St. Valentine's Day, and just be lovely and love everybody all the year. And in the end, don't forget to use balance. You know what I mean. All right. See ya.
Meet Bomberman.